So what I did today was actually a really good review assignment going over a lot of the different concepts we have learned this school year. So in the first question, Miss O'Neill would like to borrow $10,000 for 150 days to pay for her new porch. M&T Bank charges 11.5% ordinary interest, while Amerique charges 11% at exact interest. We're going to find the maturity value of each loan. So these are straightforward single payment loans. So we're going to start by calculating M&T, which is 10,000 times the percent for M&T is 11.5%, so 0.115 is a decimal. It is for 150 days, ordinary, meaning out of 360. So when I calculate that, I get $479.17 for interest. So to find the maturity value, I'm going to take the amount she borrowed and add back that $479.17. So my M&T amount that she's going to end up borrowing for her maturity value, $10,479.17 she's really paying back with interest. So now I'm going to have to do the same for Amerique. She's still going to borrow $10,000. Amerique has 11% tax, so 0.11. Still 150 days. Exact, meaning out of 365. So 10,000 times 0.11 times 150 out of 365. So $452.05. So to get the maturity value, I have to add back the 10,000 that she borrowed. So $10,452.05. So out of these two, she ends up paying back less for Amerique. So she should actually borrow money from Amerique. Alright, Maurice purchased a new iPad for his job using the store credit plan. The iPad costs $499.99. What amount did he finance if he put 10% down? So first I need to find 10%, $499.99. So I'm going to multiply that amount by 0.10 for 10%. When I multiply those, I get $50. So to find out how much he financed, the item costs $499.99. He put down $50. So he's financing $449.99. Stephanie obtained the loan of $4,500 for 10% for 12 months. Show the calculation for the first payment. What is the interest? What is the payment to the principal? What is the new principal? So this is going to be an installment loan. I know automatically because I'm seeing words like payment to principal and the new principal. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to figure out what is Stephanie's monthly payment. So I'm going to put that down here at the bottom. Monthly payment. When you find the monthly payment, you take the amount you borrow, divide it by 100. $45. We're going to multiply that by our table value, so we're going to need our table. 10% for 12 months. So I'm going to go 12 months, 10%, I'm going to multiply it by 8.79. So Stephanie's monthly payment is $395.55. So to figure out her interest for the first payment, we're going to take the amount she borrowed, multiply it by the percent as a decimal, which is 0.10, and multiply it by just 1 month. $37.50. The payment to the principal is her monthly payment, $395.55. Subtract $37.50. So $358.05. So her new principal will be her old principal, which is $4,500, minus her payment to the principal. So $4,141.95. When you are ready, flip the page. Alright, our favorite things, repayment schedules, which is a lot of work. So complete the repayment schedule for a loan of $6,600 at 10% for 6 months. So first, let's figure out our monthly payment. So 6,600 divided by 100. 66. Go to our table, 10% for 6 months. So 10% for 6 months, 17.16. $1,132.56. So that's going to go down my whole entire monthly payment. So to find our amount for interest, we take our balance amount, multiply it by the rate as a decimal, multiply it by 1/12. To find our amount for the principal, we subtract that amount for interest. And then to find our new principal, we take our previous principal, subtract the amount we pay to it. And then we're going to do it 6 times. So I'm going to put you down. You should be doing this independently while I finish making this answer key. So this is your final answer for your table. You see that you actually overpaid by $1.58, so your last payment would change just a little bit.